In today's video, we are going to cover how to change your Gusto notification preferences. If you are already logged into Gusto, begin by moving to the upper right corner of the screen and clicking your profile menu. This opens the account drop-down where you can access personal account options. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Personal section. Under that section, select Notifications. This is where Gusto groups the communication settings tied to your account. Under Preferences, you will see separate categories for emails, push notifications, text messages, and voice calls. Each one has its own edit option, so you can adjust one type of notification without changing the others. To update your email preferences, click Edit next to Emails. On the Email Settings screen, choose the Account Email option that matches how often you want to hear from Gusto. The available choices are All Emails, Action Required, and Critical emails only, or Custom. If you choose Custom, review the available options carefully so the setting matches what you want to receive. You can also select or clear the available marketing email options in this same section. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the changes to your email preferences. Next, return to the Notifications page so you can continue with the other categories. To change push notifications, click Edit next to Push Notifications. Here you can select or clear account information and offers and promotions depending on which alerts you want sent to your device. After making your selections, click Save. Return again to the Notifications page and click Edit next to Text Messages. In this section, you will see options for account information and offers and promotions. Select the notifications you want to receive by text message or clear the ones you do not want, then click Save. After that, go back to Notifications one more time and click Edit next to Voice Calls. In the voice call settings, select or clear offers and promotions from AI based on whether you want those calls enabled for your account. Then click Save to keep the updated setting. Once all changes are saved, return to the Notifications page and review each category to confirm your updated preferences. This gives you one final look at emails, push notifications, text messages, and voice calls in one place so you can make sure each setting reflects what you want. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto notification preferences are now updated and saved.